He said, you never say stuff in the bed. He said, if you ever like wish to drink just how to branch. He said, if you ever know, like, if you ever drink just how to breathe.
Is that yeah?
He said, if you never would have played the most out of keys.
Keys?
Keys?
And what you say?
Yeah, keys and licks.
No, slow down. Tell me what you're saying. I'm not hearing what you're saying.
No, he said, if you get like a sausage and cheese, you can tell the head, but like a millstone or rice cake with french fries.
Damn, your accent is way off. I can't understand one thing you're saying.
No, he said, you ever never tried to French.
Apprentice?
Apprentice?
What is happening here? You talking to somebody or you talking to me?
No, man, I'm asking you because it was 3 of them last time I came. He said 3 of like a move shot of beach. He said, but like, he said, we have a program. And he said, we have like whiskey side of French. And they're like, I think he said, if you get like a discount, like on the jalapeno booty poppers, he said, they're much of the main things.
What? Miss D?
I was asking if you ever know like your particular things. I was asking if you ever know like particular things.
I can't understand what you're saying.
Right, that's what I'm saying.
You said you move shot of Peter, right?
Huh?
You said you move shot of Peter, right?
What is he saying?
I can't understand what he's saying. That's why I figure you can understand.
How many did you get? 3? But I think it was 6, like 6 for 12.